is unconditional love to our brothers and sisters and to our loved ones, to our partner in life. Palakpakan natin ang Diyos. These 4 candles, mga kapatid, we could only experience these 4 candles if we have right relationship with God the Father in heaven. Kung may tama tayong relasyon sa ating Ama, then you will experience this joy, hope, peace, and love. And you may able to demonstrate the love of God because right relationship with God the Father in heaven, right relationship to other people. Hello? Alam ko may mga kaaway kayo. Totoo hindi. Pero anong sabi ni Lord? Kung mahal mo yan, magpati na kayo. Now, kanina, nakuha natin ang meaning ng Advent, the coming, Adventus or coming. Yun po, mahalaga yan. Now, the Advent has 2-fold character. The first coming of Christ in Bethlehem in Israel, then the second coming of Jesus Christ.